Today I'll be showing how can we use well filter to filter wells in our database browser. First of all, you can go to this icon and then click on this icon, which then you have this window for you to set up the condition to filter the wells and also curve. In this example, we'll use well name to filter our wells. So we can first tick on this tick box on the first row, and we'll set the attribute to well name, and I'll just enter the condition blue. So in this case, it's a partial match. So this filter will filter all the blue cats well. So I'll save the filter, close it, and then you will need to click on this icon to allow it to filter. If I untick this icon, you'll see these are the original wells in my database browser. So make sure to click on this filter to filter all the wells that which we just set up in this window. So next, if you want to make or add another condition to our filter, you can just click on the second row. You can change the operator to OR and just add in another well name. Let's say this FMI. Save, close. You can see another well appeared in our list here. Another thing that you can do is we can filter the curves as well. So in this example, let's say we want to filter gamma ray curve type in all these well. Just enter the condition, make sure the attribute is correct, and just tick on this box, save, close, filter, and then if I expand one of my wells, you would see 2 out of 43 curve has been flagged or has been filtered as gamma ray curve, as you can see here. So it will be the same for all these wells as well. I hope this will be useful, and that's all for this video. Thank you.